Hey everyone.
Hey guys. So yeah. What do you want to play? We'll play Server Simulator. Bro, what? Oh, this game. I remember. Cruise Ship Tycoon. My friend Caleb can't play this, so I'm gonna play for him and show him what it is all about. Yay! This song could probably get me copyright, so I don't want to risk. I've never made a video on this. Welcome to Cruise Ship Tycoon. I am is that the Titanic? Bro, what? Wait. Bro, that's the Titanic. What? Why in the world is the Titanic here? So, yeah, I got a pretty small ship. Yeah, that's the Titanic. We're just getting ready. Alright, manage. Supplies. Buy. Activate. Alright. So, I wish I was live right now so I could see chat. And we could just be like a Q&A, but I have to do that on computer. But, so how are y'all today? Good. This is us. This little thing is us. We're gonna have to travel all the way, all the way, come on, all the way here. Iceberg. Why does that look like iceberg? Eastberg. So yeah. As you see, I made a triangle for our route. I already did this part. And look, I almost hit a rock. Yeah, I almost hit a rock here. But I missed the rock. I don't know how, but I guess it happened. This is placeholder. Newport. Eastburg and this is Orange City. This is probably one of the biggest ports in this game. Eastburg, I don't know what this is. I've actually never explored this. I don't know what any of this is. But yeah, let's see where we are right now. Oh, bye-bye. All right. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. This ship is just sailing through. Look how satisfying this is. Just nothing to worry about. We still have a... Oh my god! Wait a second. Oh, hold on. Wait. We don't have that much... Okay, yeah, we have a long way to go. But anyways, every night and day I get daily warfare. I forgot what they're called. But I get money from them every day and night. I just get paychecked. That's awesome. So I can at least pay for fuel and battery and supplies. Supplies go down because passengers are playing chess, I think. Actually don't know. Battery, yeah, we don't really need it, but it just helps the ship go faster. And fuel. Fuel is the most important thing on this. Because if we don't have any fuel, like if we run out mid-going, we're not going to have a good time. This is our captain's room. Here is our bar. I would suggest not anyone going in here, except you. Well, yeah, adults have some drinks today. We have our pizza stand. Wait, am I sure this is pizza? This is burgers. This is burgers. We got our tables. It is a spot to go look overboard. Sadly, this game is not for phone. I don't know if it's for PC or not, but I think it is. Yeah, places to look overboard. I wish people could go on the bow. If you don't know what the bow is, it's just the front of the ship, but nah, they can't. Only I can, though. It's pretty good while I'm recording. We have these solar panels, stuff with battery, chests, smokestacks so we can at least move, and just gaming. Yeah, we also have a hot tub. I think I could change the color of this. Back up. Oh yeah, I gotta give you more of a tour. The more tour. Okay, so here we have our singular rooms. Then we have all of these rooms. There's a balcony right here. Wait, I gotta go see that in real. So if you just go down. Go down here. I gotta go see where that room is. I think it's in here. No, it's the one person. These people, look at this. Look at this view they get. Comment if I should add more, what is it? Oh, if I should add more rooms with balconies. Sweet. I think I'm gonna, when I get there, I'm gonna do more balcony ones. Yeah, I could add some balcony. Sorry, guys. Yeah, just don't ask. What we're gonna do is we are going to, sorry bro, but I think I did something. Yeah, I think I did something wrong. This is bad. Not good. Wait, I could just undo. There we go. So, don't do that ever again, is what I just learned. Why are these so big? Like, can you just, like, scale them? No. How did you guys get potholes here? Oh, I think I know. No. Gotta figure out how you... What? Move. Am I trying to make the, like... Wait. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to undo. I don't know why, but I don't know how they got those potholes there, but yes, they did. Whatevs. Whatevs. Okay, we got our metal door, key card, door. Nice. Utilities. Not functional. Why would you buy something that's not functional for 10,000? Okay, this is rude. This is rude. Yes, it is functional. Freezer. Let me go all the way to the down. Yeah, this is the down part of the ship. We have our battery here, generator, fuel tanks, and freezers. You deck up. I actually didn't show you this, but this is actually our crew cabins. And you got the passenger cabins. You just got playtime here with 2 other cabins because I felt like it. So yeah, pretty much my ship. Let's hope we survive the night. Yeah, see? Daily fare breakdown. I get money. I've been trying to save for 100,000. See if I could get the Titanic. Because as you see, look at that. Buys, do it. Do it. Oh yeah, we're going to unload first so I can get more money. Because when you unload passengers, you get money. Oh my god. I don't know if you know this, guys, but we were here. We were just here. This is where I started the video. We started driving all the way here. I think I made it. Just kept doing the tour. Kept doing the tour. Now we're right here. Look at us. We are right here. About to dock on land. We finally found land, guys. Chicken Cruise Ships has finally found land. Look at this cruise ship. Approaching land for the first time after being lost at sea for a day. And finally, okay, that's us. After so much time, so much effort for the ship to finally reach land, it reaches land. The captain of the ship sees the land. I don't even know if that's the captain or not. That could be the navigator. But the ship starts turning. This is epic. How we are finally docking on land. What was our battery just like? Look at this. Oh my god! Yeah, when I dock on land and unleash all the passengers, what? It gives me money. Probably because I had those passengers on for a day. Dock. Yes, we are docked on land. Passengers, you may get off the ship. Dum. See, I got $4,000. So we're just gonna. I only wasted 1,000. So yeah, just like I said, I'm gonna make more balcony thingies. I think I just accidentally deleted another one. Oh God. There's a carpet here. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, wait, let me see this. Wait, no. It has to be that. What? Bruh. How did I do that? Oh, I put it right here. Just gotta... So, yeah. Gonna put some potholes here. So passengers can look outside and see where we are right now. But, this side. Rooms. Oh. Can't find a way to get to a room? Can't get to a room? What? Why? What is bro doing? Hello? Get out. Why can't you get to a room? I don't know what... I don't know what they're doing over here. They're just like... Bro. What? I can't get to a room. Why? I think this guy is just dumb. Really. Bro is just... There's like... I don't know what this guy is. I don't know if this guy is okay. Can't find a way to a room. Here, let me remove your room. Can't get to a room. Why? What are you doing? Can't get to a room. Are you guys okay? I literally gave you a double cabin. Here's a double cabin. I don't know what's going on there, but I'm gonna end the video there. See ya guys, but